Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is Deeksha Patil here and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in this video I am going to share my top 10 red lipstick shades and brands which I have in my collection. So without wasting any more time, let's move ahead with the video. So this is the first lipstick. This is from MyGlamm and the brand is Manish Malhotra and the name of the shade is Romantic Rouge. I will mention the link in the description. So this is how the packaging of it is and it looks luxe, and look at that bold red color. I think nothing can do justice more than a red lipstick on an Indian skin tone. Nudes are pale in front of reds. So let me apply it. So this is how it looks. It has a pretty bright red color and you can get this from MyGlamm. Next is this non-transfer proof and waterproof lipstick from Swiss Beauty. It is in the shade Smoking Red. Let me apply it. So this is how it looks. This is really pigmented. So this is how it looks. This is literally a smoking red color. It's not that much like smooth, but the pigment is top notch. Next is this deepest HD matte from Belora Paris. So Belora Paris is a trending brand right now. I have tried few of the other products as well, and this is a little bit darker in shade, like dark red kind of shade. Let me apply this. So this is how it looks and it looks good to me. It's not too red and too maroon, it's somewhere in between and looks decent. Next is this MyGlamm Perfect Curves Moisturizing Matte Lip Crayon. It is in the shade Cosmopolitan. So it has that crayon kind of application. I can recall those crayons like we used to use in our school days for drawing. It's easier because I can outline easily. This is good. So this is how it looks. It has light bit of pink tint, but it was really a nice one. Next is this from Blue Heaven. It is Hyperstay Super Matte Lipstick. I have hardly used these ones. So this is how it looks. It has a little bit of maroonish red tint and it looks good. I think it looks very nice, very subtle and decent. Next is this from, I think, Blue Heaven. Next is this like lipstick popsicles. This is from Blue Heaven. This is how it looks, and let me try it. Even I need to figure it out, like is it like a lipstick or a gloss or whatever. Okay, it feels very liquidy, like very liquidy. It looks very cute and subtle. It has that bright popping red color, but it feels like nothing. I'm not feeling like I have applied any lipstick or something like that. It is very lightweight. I am just feeling like that I have applied water. It literally feels like that. So that's also a good one. So next is from the brand Sugar. It is from the Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick category, and this is one of my favorite category in liquid lipsticks. So let me apply this, and the shade is Dawn Fawn. So this is how it looks. It's not that red bright shade, but it has a decent subtle red color, and it can be worn in casual day outs as well. So this is my most favorite one from the whole collection of the red lipsticks that I own. Next is from Plum. This is the liquid lipstick from Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick collection. The shade is Cherry on Top. Let me apply it. So this is how it looks. It has that popping red color, but this is also one of my best purchase, I would say. It looks very decent and it feels very lightweight to me, and it chips off after a while. That's why I always use coconut oil before applying the lipstick, so I feel little bit of moisture and the lipstick sticks around. And I have also added few hacks in one of my videos in which I have showed how Bollywood celebrity applies their lipstick, so you can check that out. Showcasing you the last one but not the least, this is from Valora Paris. Another one, it is in the shade Maroon Grapes. Yes, Maroon Grapes. And this is really so soft and it feels like velvet on my lips. So this is how it looks. It has that bright red and brown type of shade, and it looks very hot and sassy, and I really like this shade. Oh my god, like this is heaven, like the brightest and the darkest possible shade that I like on my skin tone. This is the one. So I really love this one as well. So that's all about the lipsticks I had in my best red lipstick collection. Let me know which one you liked the most in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.